In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot postmark sender signature not found. If you're seeing a 400 error that says sender signature not found, or a message like sender signature not defined for from address, it means the email address in your from field hasn't been added and verified as a sender signature in your Postmark account. Postmark enforces this so only authorized addresses can send, which helps prevent spoofing and protects deliverability. Here's how to fix it quickly and confidently. First, make sure the exact from address you're using is added as a sender signature in Postmark. Log into your Postmark dashboard and look for sender signatures in the left-hand menu. Click Add Domain or Signature, then choose Sender Signature. Type in the precise email address that appears in your From field, matching it exactly, including any plus tags or dots, and save. As soon as you save, Postmark automatically sends a verification email to that address. Next, verify the sender signature. Open the inbox for that address and find the verification message from Postmark. Click the confirmation link inside. Once you confirm, the status of that address in Postmark will change to verified, and you'll be able to use it as the from address without triggering the error. At that point, try sending your email again. If the verification email doesn't show up, check your spam or junk folder. Some mail clients also filter these into updates or promotions tabs, so look there as well. If you still don't see it, go back to the Sender Signatures page in Postmark and use the option to resend the confirmation. Make sure you can actually receive mail at that address. If it's an alias that forwards elsewhere, the message should still arrive. But if you don't control the inbox, you won't be able to complete verification. A few quick tips to avoid this error in the future. Double-check for typos in the from address and ensure you're not mixing up similar addresses. Use the exact same address in your application's configuration and in Postmark. If you change the from address later, remember you'll need to add and verify that new address too. That's it. Add the sender signature, click the verification link, and you're good to go. Once verified, your messages should send without the sender signature not found error.